You can see this big confetti machine with the power cable and the gas hose. The packing weight is 6.75 kilograms. This mini confetti paper machine, the packing weight is 4.3 kilogram. And this machine you can connect the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the machine one by one together by this power cable, and you can control all the machine by only one remote control, manual controller. So this machine is good for the confetti machine. You connect one by one together. So this is simple. And now I show you how to charge the gas to this confetti machine. And this is the gas hose connected to the air compressor fitting, and this side connected to the machine. And this is our manual controller. This is power in cable, this power out cable to the machine. 0. And how to charge the gas, you need to open the air compressor. You see, this one point to 0.5 almost. Then it will stop. Our air compressor is 8 kilogram. 8 kilogram. Then when you press this red button, then this machine will jet. Now let's see. And because our machine connected to the air compressor, always, and you can see this point to the 0.5 again. Then you can press again. So this machine control is simple. If you don't want to connect this gas hose, that is also simple. You need to close the gas valve. And now you disconnect the gas hose. This machine will no leaking the gas, you can see. Then you press this red button again, then it will jet. See. So this is simple. Now this remote controller inside have a small battery. The small battery is 23 ampere and 12 volt. And this battery, normally we are not put inside this remote controller. When you receive this one, you need to purchase the battery and assemble inside again. Now I press and you see. You can hear this valve open. And this machine is the remote control. If you don't want remote control, you can tell us, we can remove this one, cancel this one. Only this power cable, and no need this one. When you connect to the power panel and have the electricity, then this machine will jet. Now I show you how to charge the gas. Now I open the S, and you can see this gauge point to 6 to 7 almost, because our air compressor is 8 kilogram. Now I press this remote controller. Then you see this gas charge again because I connected to the air compressor. Always. And I press again. Using it simple. And for example, if you don't want to disconnect, don't want to connect the gas source, after you charge the gas, close this one. And you need to close this one also. You can disconnect. And when you disconnect this fitting, you need to push and pull. because this one can push. See. Do not pull directly, otherwise this plastic nozzle is easy damage. Then I press again. 现在我们已经把电源线连接好了以后，然后气充好了以后，把纸放进去。然后每次放纸的时候，最好是在纸的底部放一个圆的纸片啊。今天我们没放，我们只是做个演示哈。我们按一下这个开关，它就可以喷了。使用是很简单的。现在这个机器的话已经充好气了，充好气了以后的话，它的气管是可以拿开的啊，不会漏气。然后连接好控制器了以后。我们里面只是放了一些纸，没放很多，只是做个演示哈。然后这个时候我们一按这个，它就可以喷了。我们看一下哈。这个控制是很简单的，控制是很简单的。